Hi there. In this video, I want to show you how you can design earring file for laser cutting inside of Silhouette Design Studio. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm just going to make a real simple pair, I'm going to go over here to my left-hand menu, grab my drawing tools, and I'm going to grab the ellipse, and I'm going to make myself a little oval shape, okay? And now I'm going to go up here and make sure it is the size I want, 1.5 inches tall. And then let's move that off to the side for just a second. Next, I'm going to go in here to my Flexi Shapes panel, and there's this little flower shaped thing, I guess. And I'm just going to bring that out, and I'm going to convert that to a path. Now I'm going to go over to my right side menu, and I am going to give that an offset, okay? And it's not going to be a huge one, just a little bit. And you can do this however you want. This is really just for demonstration, so I'm going to select both of those, and I'm going to make that a compound path. And I'm going to go back to my shapes, and I'm going to draw a tiny little circle, and I'm going to fill that black. I'm going to move it down to the center of my little flower I just made. And I'm going to fill my little flower black. I'm going to select both of those, and I'm going to go to the top here and center them together. And then I'm going to convert that to a compound path. So now that's all one piece right there, okay? And I have it done in a fill of black because in my laser software, I use red as my cut lines, black as my engraves, okay? So now I'm just going to take this cute little flower, I'm going to stick it inside there, and I'm going to hit Control D on my keyboard and duplicate it. I'm going to resize that a little bit, put one there. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put one down here, duplicate it again. I'm going to make it a little bigger now. Put one there. And I'm just randomly putting these anywhere. This is really just, like I said, this is just for demonstration to show you that you can create an SVG in Silhouette that you can use with your laser software, your laser controller. All right, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit more so I can look to move these around some. I don't know, I think I'm going to bring that one out here, or maybe put it up there. Yeah. Move this over. Put this little guy down at the bottom. I think I want another little tiny one in here. Like I said, you just move them around where you want them. I know you might be sitting there watching this going, oh yeah, that's not where I'd put them. And that's okay. We are just making the design any old way. All right, I think maybe I want to rotate that one a little so that, okay, now I'm going to select, I'm going to move the outside, I'm going to select all of my engrave flowers, turn that into a compound path. Now I can put that back in here. Now I want to draw one more little circle. I want that to be 0.06 because that is going to be my hole to hang my ear wires on. So I'm going to have my little circle selected. I'm going to hit Control and select my oval. I'm going to go up here to my alignment panel at the top, make sure they are aligned vertically, and then I am going to turn that into a compound path. So now we have these. The small hole in the oval is one compound path, and then our engrave is another. So we're going to select both of them now, and we're simply going to right click and group. All right. Now we can duplicate, Control D, move that over, right click, flip horizontal, and there you have a pair of earrings designed for your laser in Silhouette. Now I have the business edition, so I can simply save this to my hard drive as an SVG file. So I saved it. You will want the business edition if you are going to be doing a lot of designing. I will leave a link below where you can get that. It's well worth the upgrade to be able to export in SVG. All right, now I'm going to bring up in Lightburn because that is the program I use to control my laser. Let me zoom in here, and I'm going to go right here, and right here is our Silhouette test. We're going to drop it in, and there it is. There, it's all ready to go. My red is my line, my black is my fill, and I can just place it anywhere that I want in here and send it to my laser, and it will engrave and cut. So that's how you design files for your laser in Silhouette Studio.